always sneezing when you step outside? Turns out there's a sciencey reason behind it. It's called autosomal dominant compelling helio-ophthalmic outburst syndrome, or simply ACHOO syndrome. About 1 in 3 people have this genetic reflex. When you suddenly go from dark to bright light, it triggers the trigeminal nerve. This nerve has branches in your eye and nose that get a bit too chatty with each other. Result? Sneezing. Photic sneezing isn't harmful, just a bit annoying. Want to stop it? Try wearing sunglasses or applying pressure to the philtrum, the bit under your nose. So next time you step into the sun and sneeze, remember it's just your body's quirky way of saying, "Hello, sunshine." Follow Science Bits for more intriguing science facts.